Tomorrow morning, you could wake up broke, not because you spent it, but because your bank took it, legally. This isn't a conspiracy theory. It's called a bail-in, and it's written into law in the US, Canada, the EU, Australia, basically everywhere. When banks fail, instead of a taxpayer bailout, they can take your deposits to pay themselves. You think your money is yours, but legally, the second you deposit it, it becomes the bank's liability. They owe it to you, but if they go under, the law says they can just convert your money into shares of the bank. Translation: you just bought stock in a dead bank. Sounds insane? It's already happened. In 2013, Cyprus banks froze every account overnight. People woke up, and 47.5% of their savings gone. In 2023, Canada quietly reaffirmed their bail-in rules. In the US, the Dodd-Frank Act allows it, and the FDIC has openly discussed it in their own meetings. And here's the kicker: you agreed to it. It's buried in your account terms. That 15-page PDF you signed when you opened your account? Somewhere in there, in fine print, is your consent to be part of a bail-in. If you or I took money from someone's account without permission, it's called theft. When a bank does it, it's called policy. And it's not a glitch in the system. It is the system. They'll tell you it's rare. They'll say it's to protect the system. But the system isn't protecting you, it's protecting itself. If the rules change overnight, who's left holding the bag? You. That's why some people keep part of their wealth in assets that can't be frozen, with the click of a mouse. Whether that's cash under the mattress or something tangible like physical gold and silver, at least then you own it, fully. Read your bank's terms, look up your country's bail-in laws, and the next time someone tells you your money's safe in the bank, remember, it's safe for them.